Welcome to our channel. As a solar panel manufacturing vendor, we are excited to share with you discover how the top 5 solar energy trends of 2023 can impact your business. In this video, we will cover the latest developments in the solar energy industry, and how they can benefit your business. So, let's dive in. Before we dive into the top trends for 2023, let me remind you to click the description box below linked to our landing page where you can learn more about our solar panels. So, let's get started. Before we get into the trends, let us first discuss the importance of solar energy for businesses. As you know, solar energy is a clean and renewable source of energy that is becoming more popular around the world. Many businesses are turning to solar energy to reduce their carbon footprint and save money on energy bills. This is where our company comes in. We manufacture high-quality solar panels that are designed to help businesses like yours to take advantage of solar energy. Now, let's talk about the top 5 solar energy trends for 2023. First trend, solar power storage. The first trend is solar power storage. In recent years, many businesses have installed solar panels to generate their own electricity. However, storing that energy has been a challenge. In 2023, we expect to see more businesses invest in solar power storage solutions. This will enable them to store excess energy generated by their solar panels and use it when the sun is not shining. For example, imagine you are a restaurant owner who has installed solar panels on the roof of your building. With solar power storage, you can store the excess energy generated during the day and use it to power your restaurant during peak hours in the evening. This will help you to reduce your electricity bills and become more self-sufficient. The second trend is solar-powered transportation. The second trend is solar-powered transportation. As the world becomes more focused on sustainability, we expect to see more businesses invest in solar-powered vehicles. This includes everything from cars and trucks to buses and trains. By using solar energy to power transportation, businesses can reduce their carbon footprint and save money on fuel costs. For example, imagine you are a delivery company that uses trucks to transport goods. By switching to solar-powered trucks, you can reduce your fuel costs and emissions, making your business more environmentally friendly and cost-effective. The third trend is solar-powered agriculture. The third trend is solar-powered agriculture. With the global population expected to reach 9 billion by 2050, there will be a growing demand for food production. Many farmers are already turning to solar energy to power their farms, and this trend is expected to continue in 2023. By using solar energy, farmers can reduce their energy costs and improve their sustainability. For example, imagine you are a farmer who uses irrigation systems to water your crops. By using solar-powered irrigation systems, you can reduce your energy costs and become more self-sufficient. This will help you to save money on electricity bills and increase your farm's profitability. The fourth trend is building integrated solar panels. The fourth trend is building integrated solar panels. In the past, solar panels were often installed on the roofs of buildings. However, in 2023, we expect to see more businesses invest in building integrated solar panels. These are solar panels that are integrated into the design of the building itself, providing a more aesthetically pleasing solution. For example, imagine you are an architect who is designing a new office building. By integrating solar panels into the design of the building, you can provide an environmentally friendly solution that is also visually appealing. This will help you to attract environmentally conscious clients and demonstrate your commitment to sustainability. The fifth and final trend is artificial intelligence for solar energy management. The fifth trend is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, for solar energy management. As businesses become more reliant on solar energy, they will need more advanced tools to manage their systems. In 2023, we expect to see more businesses invest in AI-powered solar energy management systems. These systems can help businesses to optimize their energy usage, predict energy production, and improve overall system efficiency. For example, imagine you are a large manufacturing company that relies heavily on solar energy to power your operations. By using an AI-powered solar energy management system, you can monitor your energy usage in real time, predict future energy production, and make adjustments to optimize your system's efficiency. This will help you to save money on energy costs and become more sustainable. So, those are the top 5 solar energy trends for 2023. But how do they affect your business? Impact on business. If you are a business owner or manager, these trends present a significant opportunity for you. By investing in solar energy solutions, you can reduce your energy costs, become more self-sufficient, and demonstrate your commitment to sustainability. This can help you to attract environmentally conscious customers, differentiate your business from competitors, and improve your bottom line. But why should you choose our company for your solar energy needs? Our company's value proposition. At our company, we are committed to providing high-quality solar panels that are designed to meet the specific needs of your business. We offer a range of solar panel options, including building integrated panels, and can help you to design a solar energy system that will meet your energy needs and budget. Additionally, we offer exceptional customer service and support, ensuring that your solar energy system is always operating at peak efficiency. Conclusion. In conclusion, solar energy is an increasingly important source of energy for businesses around the world. By investing in solar energy solutions, businesses can reduce their energy costs, become more sustainable, and demonstrate their commitment to the environment. At our company, we are dedicated to helping businesses like yours to take advantage of solar energy and achieve their sustainability goals. If you are interested in learning more about our solar energy solutions, please click on the link in the description bar below this video. Thank you for watching.